Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine an audio system that effortlessly streams every note in breathtaking high resolution, powers your speakers with pristine clarity, and completely transforms your home entertainment, all from one sleek, minimalist device. Sound too good to be true? Think again. Because today, we're unboxing and putting through its paces the brand new Bluesound Powernode 2025. This isn't just an amplifier. It's a wireless multi-room, high-resolution music streaming powerhouse, and it comes in a stunning, clean white finish that's ready to redefine your audio experience. Are you tired of cluttered entertainment centers filled with bulky AV receivers? The Powernode 2025 is here to simplify your life without compromising on sound quality. This DirectDigital high-res streaming amplifier delivers a robust 100 watts per channel in stereo mode, or an incredibly versatile 80 watts per channel across 3 channels in LCR mode, complete with dedicated center channel support. What does that mean for you? It means powerful, low-distortion sound that truly brings your music and movies to life. Imagine experiencing audiophile-grade MQA, FLAC, and even DSD-256 files with stunning clarity, or diving into your favorite Spotify Connect and TIDAL Connect playlists like never before. With advanced connectivity like HDMI eARC, USB-C, and a dedicated subwoofer output, you can effortlessly integrate your TV, gaming console, and sub for truly immersive audio, even wirelessly pairing with compatible Bluesound speakers for a seamless surround sound experience. It's the ultimate fusion of power, precision, and simplicity in one elegant, white box. But what about getting that incredible sound throughout your entire home? That's where the Powernode's heart, the BluOS multi-room streaming platform, truly shines. This isn't just about playing music in one room. It's about creating a symphony across your entire living space. You can stream from over 20 popular music services, tune into thousands of internet radio stations, or access your entire digital music library with absolute ease. The intuitive BluOS controller app lets you manage playback, create dynamic playlists, and deliver pristine high-res audio across up to an astounding 64 zones effortlessly. Imagine hosting a party where every room plays the same perfect playlist, or letting everyone enjoy their own favorite tunes in different spaces, all from the palm of your hand. It's whole home audio, redefined for the modern listener. And it's not just about big sound in big spaces. The Powernode 2025 also caters to your personal listening needs with a dedicated 6.3mm headphone output featuring THX AAA technology, ensuring ultra-low distortion and crystal-clear detail for those private, immersive audio sessions. Plus, with support for Apple AirPlay 2, aptX HD Bluetooth, and seamless integration with smart home systems like Control4, Crestron, and RTI, this device becomes the central hub of your connected home. It's designed to be effortlessly integrated into your digital lifestyle. And can we talk about the design? Its elegant, minimalist footprint in that beautiful matte white finish, coupled with a touch-sensitive glass panel that offers 5 customizable preset shortcuts, means it blends modern style with intuitive control in any space, making it a true statement piece. So, whether you're an audiophile seeking uncompromised sound quality, a home theater enthusiast craving immersive experiences, or simply someone who wants to fill their home with incredible music with unparalleled ease, the Bluesound Powernode 2025 is the answer. It's powerful, versatile, beautiful, and exceptionally smart, truly the ultimate modern audio solution. Ready to transform your home audio? Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on the new Bluesound Powernode 2025. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, and let us know